notebook. Little. The alligator went to the and with them.
Where did he go?
Now, the alligator.
It's a crocodile.
No, it's an alligator.
It's a crocodile, Michael.
Oh, it's the alligator.
Can you say thank you, Betsy?
Thank you, Betsy.
Say thank you, Brownie.
Thank you, Brownie.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Full kiss. Aww.